Okay, everyone, Chris Lambert here. As I said in my post, things might be getting out of control here. And waiting for all the components for my Halloween costume contest. I started marking boxes. Some boxes aren't marked, so if I run into some boxes that I don't want to open yet, excuse me, I'll just set them aside for the next unboxing. So let me start by moving these over, and I think pretty soon, like I said before, I may need to get a big tripod out for this. So let's start with this big box, which I received yesterday. And the costume we're working on now, that I think is pretty much complete, is the Marylin Thornhill costume from the Netflix 2022 show, TV series Wednesday, which I really liked and decided to do a Halloween costume contest of all of the characters, or a lot of them. There's probably too many to do. I could include the sheriff and other people, but I don't know if I'll do that yet. So I see we have a box in a box. Here we have, we could start out with this one, Fugaday wig. I don't even know if I want to open this. Feels like it may not be packaged. No, it's not. Okay. So what we have, I'll just give you a peek inside here. So this is wrapped differently than the other wigs I've had, but I don't know if you can see, but it's a red wig, and that wig is for Marylin Thornhill. She's the room mother of Wednesday and Enid. And we have a bigger box here, so let me set this down for a second. And see, someone got a place to lay down. Let's open this box. Here are the boots I chose. I chose different ones, but they seem wobbly, and people said they busted out on the back. So Marylin Thornhill likes to garden. She gets her feet muddy sometimes, so I got her a nice pair of red boots. That's the color she likes to wear. She likes red boots. So there we go. Set one of those out here. But I don't want to lose the paper, so. Okay. I didn't want the ones that were black on the bottom, but they seem to be the best deal. So there's Marylin Thornhill's boots. There's her wig, red wig. She has red hair. And let's see what else we have. We have, I don't know how to pronounce this, Ficity. We have some glasses. Let's see, I got about 3 pairs of glasses because it's really hard to find the glasses. She has the cat eye glasses, but they extend out really far. So we got a nice case here. Let's see which ones these are. Okay. So these are Marylin Thornhill's cat eye glasses. Set those right there. You can see that. And we have another item, which I'll just show really quick. You can see that on Halloween. And it looks like we're off the package number 2, box number 2. Let's see what we've got in box number 2 here. this open away from me. Let me set this down here. We have a blouse. Couldn't really find the color of flower design that I wanted, and it's hard to see in some of the scenes in the dark, so this will be the blouse that I use for Marylin Thornhill. Blouse and her glasses. And we got another box for another scene. We may set up and do scenes, action scenes. We did that last time and it turned out to be nice. Okay, so we got another pair of red boots. We go with another outfit. So depending on which one looks better, we'll use that one. There we go. Pairs of red boots, glasses. What else do we have? Got a small box here. Get that open. What is it? Oh, okay. Marylin Thornhill's likes plants. Got a couple plants for it. Really wanted to find a black dahlia, plant. And I might get some of those. I'm trying to find a single one, but they're pretty expensive. Or a Venus flytrap, but I mostly found real Venus flytraps, and I wanted a large artificial one, and they're hard to find unless you want the Shop of Horrors version, which wouldn't really look right. Got another package here. Is this one a pull open one? Yeah, that was a pull open package. Let's see what's in this one. Got a blue jumpsuit. Sometimes she wears a long skirt and a blouse and a sweater, but in this scene, from what I could tell, the scene was really dark. At first I picked black, this time I picked blue. There's a blue jumpsuit. I think that's all I can show right now. If I find more stuff, I'll let you know, but here we have the Marylin Thornhill costume. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you have any ideas for costumes or anything else, let me know. And take care. Stay tuned for the next costume.